Artificial intelligence is all around us. It helps our cars recognize road signs and gives us suggestions for the perfect movie to watch. Besides these everyday applications, AI is also making a big impact in healthcare. In radiotherapy, treatment planning is a complex and time-consuming task, full of manual steps. That's where my research comes in. Together with my team, I'm investigating how AI can optimize this process with the aim of providing patients with the best possible care. By automating important tasks such as delineating tumours and planning radiation doses, AI supports experts, making the process faster and more accurate. We are also developing models to predict treatment outcomes and potential side effects. In the future, this may pave the way for adaptive, personalized radiotherapy, where treatment plans are not only optimized from the start, but can also be continuously adjusted based on real-time data and predictions. I am Peter van Ooijen, computer scientist dedicated to applying artificial intelligence in healthcare with a special focus on radiotherapy.